Assembly estimating is a standard module that comes with KipwareQTE. The assembly module allows users to create quotes and estimates for assemblies that contain multiple individual components. These component costs can be calculated using KipwareQTE and then imported into assembly. Or costs can be input directly while in assembly. In this video we will illustrate how we can use the assembly module to create a quotation for the assembly on the screen. This assembly consists of two end plates and a shaft. Using the standard KipwareQTE module, we previously created a cost estimate for the end plate and a cost estimate for the shaft. Now we will combine those individual components along with labor costs to create the assembly and produce a quotation for the complete assembly to send to our client. Starting assembly, we will load the component files previously created in KipwareQTE. We will add two end plates and one shaft. The software allows the user to combine an unlimited number of individual components into the assembly estimate. In addition to the cost for these individual components gathered from the estimates, we will add some additional costs associated with the creation of this assembly. First, we will add some labor costs for the time it will take us to assemble the individual components and finish the assembly. Second, we will add the outside service for painting. We have received a quote from our paint vendor and we will add that cost to the assembly quotation. This completes all the costs associated with this assembly and we are ready to create a quotation to send to our client. Assembly gives the user the ability to create a line item quotation or a formatted quotation assembly. The result and method of creating the quotation is identical to the options available in KipwareQTE, with options to print a pre-formatted quotation, save the quote to a CSV file for importing into Excel, or saving the quote to a text file for importing into a text editor like MS Word.